Hey there, today we're drawing an Easter bunny. Easter is coming soon. So let's draw. Okay, so we're gonna take a piece of paper and A4 sheet. Then you're gonna fold it into half like this. And then you raise the top thing to the bottom. Like that. Then you flip it to the other side and raise that too to the top. Make sure you fold it properly. Okay, now you're gonna open this. Then you're gonna flip it. You're gonna keep that thing. Make sure it makes a line in the middle like that. Then you open and check it if it opens for that. Okay, so now grab your marker and start drawing. First, we are gonna draw the nose like this. And then make a curve. Then draw the eyes at the side. And then we do the detailing of the eyes. Okay, so let's detail it. Now, you're gonna make the outline of the eyes this way. Then you're gonna draw the eyeballs inside. And then you're gonna color all the black. Now I'm gonna start drawing the head. We're gonna draw it a rectangular box with no corners. Then I'm gonna draw the bunny's ears. I'm just gonna draw two curves overlapping each other. And then the second ear. Make sure you don't take it out of the paper because you need room for to draw it. Now you're gonna draw the down part. Draw a curve over here, and then you're gonna draw a straight line under his nose. Make sure you keep a small space between the face. Now I'm gonna tie or whatever. I'm gonna make two lines, and then with a curve I'm gonna connect it top to the head. Now let's draw the shirt. Draw it from the bow, and then you make more two lines inside. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw the whiskers. On the left side. Okay, so now we are gonna open it up. As we open it, we should be careful, paper not tears. Okay, so now you're gonna connect the head to the mouth on the bottom with a straight line. Don't make curved lines. It should have a big mouth. You're gonna connect it on the right side too. Then, under the eyes, draw the same line which you drew for the mouth. And with these lines, now we are gonna connect them to like the face. Okay, now we're gonna connect on the right side too. And then, I'm going to draw the teeth. You're gonna draw upside down T over here. And then I'm gonna connect it with a curved line like this. Leave some space at the top teeth, but not at the bottom teeth. Okay, now you're gonna draw straight lines like this. Curve, and you make two lines in them. That's enough for the teeth. And now go down. You're gonna draw a T over here, and then I'm gonna make teeth with that. Just gonna connect it to the back curve. Now just let's draw our lines like how we drew top. Okay, done. Now we are going to draw the tongue. We're going to draw a straight line, small one, and then continue it with a heart shape here. Okay, now I'm going to draw his mouth. Inside I'm going to draw this type of U, and then I'm going to, the backward curve, I'm going to connect it to the tongue. Okay, he looks cute. Okay, let's move forward. We're gonna draw the side background with a small dot and then a carrot. Like this. The carrot lines are the most important to make it look like a carrot. And then you continue it on top. Draw the leaves over here. Okay, now I'm gonna draw one more dot, and then I'm gonna move to the Easter egg. I put it over there, and then 2 dots in the same line. Okay, now we're gonna draw the second carrot over here. Wait, a drop, falling upside down, and then make a line. Next, I'm going to draw the leaves on the carrot. Now, I'll just draw those. And then one more Easter egg over there. And then, just a last circle. Okay, now let's start coloring it. Okay, I take my red. Let's go!